going on, boss? How you doing?
All right.
Yeah, how about yourself?
Yeah. Good. Good.
Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah.
Actually, my wife's gonna make an appointment too. She's gonna go up there.
I gave them all.
That's
gift
right.
cards. I gave them all. I went all the way down the line and said, here, man, get your teeth clean.
So I came by yesterday and took a peek at it, but I didn't
Yeah,
yeah.
I thought I saw you here yesterday.
Mm-hmm. That was me leaving. I think you were outside and I blew out in the black jump.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Awesome. Well, enjoy. Good seeing you. Yeah. Whenever something happens or whatever, let me know. February 28th, we're doing I'm doing my car meet February 28th. February 28th, guys. February 28th, I'm doing a car meet downtown, so y'all come out and enjoy.
I'll be there.
Music, food, all that good stuff, drinks. I got Dreyway is gonna be there. YouTube on a Budget is gonna be there, and I'll see if Mod FX wanna come out.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be real chill, just for the Mopar community to come out, and I thought I'd do something, different.
To give back. Man.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I know I want to try to set up a little meet at my practice parking lot.
Okay.
I gotta dot the I's on that. Yeah.
I'm there. Yeah,
Because
for
I
sure.
want to try to combine the Euro focus.
Okay.
I got on the, because we got Porsches and Audis on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that whole.
Yeah, I remember you talking about the Porsche, about your Porsche and all that. Yeah. Cool.
Appreciate it,
Congrats again, brother.
Appreciate it.
For sure.
What's up, man? How's it going?
What's going on with it, man? Doing all right?
Guessing you're picking it up?
Yeah.
I got a form that was here and it's done.
Yeah.
Where's
So
it at?
I don't know. Is that your cell phone number?
H-Town here at River Oaks. I always appreciate the business. The Healthmans are great. If you're going to be around Kirby and 59, make sure to hit my line. Appreciate it.
I got your name, Instagram already.
I sure appreciate that.
So you get any designs from the man yet on the...
So we were talking about it because I feel like it needs more, and of course this is just the first.
Well, at least just let them do it outside. They already started.
Yeah. They can finish everything outside.
Like, bro, I'm
Yeah.
gonna get the skyline right here on my shoulder
Yeah.
blades, and I want to use it across my back.
Yeah.
That's what I do, straight up. Start it right here. You can do like some reminiscences of purple drip if you want to, on some lean if you wanted to, but F that. Right here, you start the building, the skyline. You have all these damn cities and shit, all the buildings and the skyline. I say get it from the angle of 59 headed south, the Be Somebody bridge.
To be somebody.
Get the Be Someone right here with the bridge, the skyline, and then put, SpeedDocs across the top, and then have all the vinyl on the edge.
Okay.
And then you could like do your thing on the back on the tail light. I put my number when they're gonna smoke your ass. I put at Dr. Dre. That's what I do, man. Don't roll your windows down, man. Don't do it. Make a stupid video, bro, put him right there and put me right there.
Okay.
I promise. give me a big ass parking lot. I will make some shit. So you're gonna do this in suede?
No, headliner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
As always, man. Appreciate it.
Young cat trying to get in the game. Yeah. This is cool. I love the leather, man. Like, I love cars with leather. I don't like no, you know what I'm saying? The cloth is alright, but no matter how nice they make cloth, I still be longing for leather.